Hey, what's up guys, it's Icee from the PD team. Today I'm going to be doing a DSM setup guide video. First thing you want to do is select Shopify from the type and then go in and pick whichever region of DSM you're in. So for me, I'm in America, I'd be picking DSM NY. You have three modes you could use: URL, keywords, or variants. 95% of the time you're going to be using keywords. You might occasionally have an early link that you can test, but if you do have an early link, I always do suggest running some with keywords and some with the early link in case it's wrong. You probably won't ever have to worry about the variant. For example, let's do the keywords because this is what you'll probably be using. Say you're going for some like off-white blazer, you might do plus off, comma, plus blazer. You just use the same format that you use for every other Shopify site. Quantity you're going to want to have as 1, and checkout proxy can be blank unless you have a specific proxy that you want this task to check out at. If you leave it blank, it will either use your home IP or pull from the proxies tab if you have proxies in there. For these 4 checkboxes, you're going to want to have account and new product unchecked and capture checked always. Advanced is a bit more complicated. Basically, advanced mode is a different checkout methodology and endpoint, which allows the task to be faster. However, it sometimes can be patched and not work at all. So just make sure you stay up to date with our Discord and our announcements channel and our guides so you know whether or not you should be using it. And if you are using it, we're always going to suggest that you use only half your tasks with it on in case they change something up last minute. So yeah, just make sure to stay up to date with our Discord. Next step, you're going to have your sizing, which is self-explanatory. Just pick whatever size you want to go for. If it's clothing, you have your clothing sizes and your shoe sizes below. So say I want a size 9 of that blazer that I selected earlier. I'll put size 9. Task count is however many tasks you want. You could have 1 to like 100 if you want. Really as many as you want. But just for this example, I'm going to do 5 tasks and then pick whichever profile you want those tasks to be used for, and then you create your tasks. And there you go. Now you have all your tasks set up and all you got to do is start them before the drop. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. For these 4 little checkboxes, new product can be unchecked, accounts unchecked, and capture will be on for all your tasks. Advanced is a little more complicated because advanced is basically a different checkout methodology that is faster, but a lot of the times is patched. So to know if you should be using this or not, make sure that you are in Discord following our announcements and our guides, and we'll make sure to tell you whether you should be using it or not. Most of the time though, if you are going to be using it, you're still going to want at least about half of your tasks with it on and half off. Right now it's not working, so I'm just going to keep it off and go to the next step. Sizing, if it's clothes, you're going to have your nice clothing sizes right there, and if it's shoes, you have your shoe sizes. Say I'm going for size 8. Task count, as many as you want. Let's just do 3, and then the profile will be whatever profile you set up beforehand. Then you just create the tasks, and your tasks are ready to go. My 3 are down here. And when it comes to drop time, you're just going to want to make sure to start your tasks about 30 seconds before the drop, or follow our advanced delay guide that is within our guides that will make it so you bypass you blah 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 blah.